So we're here to show you this beautiful oceanfront jetted tub suite at the Hallmark Resort in Cannon Beach, Oregon. This is room number 222. It's an Oceanfront King Spa Room, and it's not only got a large two-person jetted tub, but also a private balcony with a spectacular full-on view of Haystack Rock and the Pacific Ocean, which makes this luxury suite a really great choice for any romantic getaway, honeymoon, or anniversary trip here to the Oregon coast. And one very nice thing about this jetted tub suite and this jetted tub, the built-in headrests, one here and one there. Perfect for relaxing in the bubbles. Other extras you'll love here include a fireplace, robes, and a large walk-in shower with dual heads. There's no breakfast served here, but there's warm cookies when you check in, and they include a small collection of complimentary in-room snacks. And of course, the beach is less than a 2-minute walk away. For a romantic spa tub suite getaway on the Oregon coast, we think the Hallmark Resort is pretty special. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more romantic hot tub suite tours. Thanks for joining us here on ExcellentRomanticVacations.com.